Pacific King Fishing Charters invites you to a deep-sea fishing experience you'll never forget. Located on the west coast of Vancouver Island, Ucluelet is home to Pacific King Fishing Charters and gateway to some of the best salmon and halibut fishing in the world. It's no wonder then that Hank Griffin and his wife Heather chose this area to share their hospitality and love of fishing with guests from around the world. With their well-equipped fishing boat, enchanting guest house with close proximity to excellent restaurants in the area, all you have to do is bask in your host's warm West Coast hospitality and leave with fond memories, knowing that you've made very special friends. Oh, and a load of fish, expertly dressed and ready for your freezer. The day begins early. You'll be welcomed aboard by Hank, owner-operator of Blue Pacific, a 28-foot Baja cruiser perfectly equipped for salmon and halibut fishing. With Hank as your guide, you are guaranteed the fishing trip of a lifetime. First of all, you'll learn how to stay safe as Hank runs through the safety instructions and procedures. Class is out and you're off to the fishing grounds, about 25 miles offshore, for a day of adventure and fun.
This is my first actual ocean fishing trip in my life, so I'm really excited. I've done lots of freshwater river fishing, but I've never done anything like this before. It was a 2-hour windy road, got up at like 4 a.m. I'm just excited for the day. I've heard really good things.
Your day will be filled with eager anticipation, interspersed with humor and the adrenaline rush from reeling in your first enormous king salmon or halibut.
I got up at 3:15 to drive out to Ucluelet to go fishing. And it was a 2-hour drive, but it's going to be worth it, I'm sure of it. I've been out here once before, and it was an amazing fishing trip.
It's difficult not to get caught up in the enthusiasm Hank exudes.
Everybody ready to go fishing?
Yeah! Well, I'm sure excited to be on this trip today. I came up last night and stayed at Hank's guest house, which was fantastic. Beautiful beds, good sleep. Got up, had a lovely breakfast this morning, and we're off on this great fishing trip. I've come on one of these trips before with Hank, and it was absolutely, hands down, the best chartered fishing trip I've ever been on. It was just fantastic, which is why I'm here today.
Even if you're prone to queasiness from the ocean swells, nothing can stop the excitement of landing your first fish. If you are prone to motion sickness, an effective precautionary measure is to purchase a Transderm V patch from your local pharmacy. The patch is placed behind one ear at least 12 hours before your trip.
Wow! Awesome!
If you think deep-sea fishing is easy, you'll soon realize that it takes skill and expertise to land that big one.
Okay, there's 2 rules in this boat. One is I lost them, that's a swear word. The other swear word is sorry. You're on holiday, no sorries, okay? I can say sorry, you can.
Hank will give you tips on holding the rod correctly, reeling in your catch, what depth to fish at, and even what lures to use for best results.
This is a knuckle buster, made by Islander Reels. They're really good reels, but they've earned a reputation. They go, fish comes on, they go like that. If you're sitting there, standing there, like that, not listening to me, you will get your knuckles wrapped, because either the fish will get broken off, or he's going to smack you in the hands. Let me tell you, if you get smacked in the hands of these reels, it hurts. So you gotta listen to me. Not to anyone else, just me. Going down 130 feet of... That's crazy. Okay? Come in when he's ready. There you go. Woo. You keep the rod up high. Okay. Cool. About 12 pounds, 13 pounds. Okay, you watch him down in the water. Okay, we're gonna hook it on his face. There you go, Tim, hold that fish. Where do you hold it? Where I am with that. Right there where you are. Oh, Rick. A little bit more, reel a little bit more. Whoa, stop, just lift. Stop.
Yes! Woohoo!
Wow.
That's a better fish. That's a better fish.
That's nice.
That is a beauty. Yes! Wow.
BC, Vancouver Island, you Clulet fishing. Woo-ha!
Absolutely. There we go. Yes. Yes! Woo! Whoa, buddy. That is a heavy fish. Ah. There you go.
Let these fish go, it's perfectly safe. Halibut.
Oh,
Like Mr. Ted.
I'll do it.
Yes!
The old adage, time flies when you're having fun, truly applies to a fishing trip with Pacific King Fishing Charters. Before you know it, you'll be heading back to harbor, where Hank will expertly dress your fish for you if required.
Just like a deer or a moose or anything else, getting that blood out. Very important. And you get the end product. Beautiful slab of red, chinook salmon.
All too quickly, the trip comes to an end, and though you're tired and slightly disappointed that it's over, you'll be delighted with your load of delicious fish just waiting for your culinary skills.
Good day fishing.
What's next? Well, telling your own captivating fish stories, of course. And maybe sharing a little of that tasty halibut with friends who can't wait to accompany you on your next Pacific King fishing charter.